Hi, I'm Emily Kronlungi. I'm a first grade teacher at Kennedy, and the way I'm using the Smartboard currently is when I'm planning my lessons, I am much more mindful of including kinesthetic learning, videos, and audio into my lessons, as well as engaging the kids in coming up to the board and working on their lessons.
Excuse me one second. Okay, you can get it. There you go. I'm almost done. Okay.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm in 5th grade and I will tell you why I like iBooks. You are able to define words that you don't know while you're reading. Also, you can see and hear events in history using iBooks. In textbooks, you can't see or hear. You just have to imagine the event.
How we use the Smartboard. How we use the Smartboard is that we work in groups for the Smartboard Center. Another way we use the Smartboard is for solving math problems
and reviewing questions, including for read-alouds. Right now in class, we are reading a book called Buildin' Boy, a Peter McDougal adventure. Go.
iPads, computers, and the Smartboard make learning fun because the more learning we get, the more our brains grow to get smarter.
Like we always use Mayan, Compass Learning, and Typing Web to learn to increase our vocabulary, math, punctuation, and learning how to type. Last but not least, we use the laptops and iPads. We use them for social studies. We use the laptops and iPads for if we are doing a project and we might need help, so we use the iPads and laptops to look up definitions, pictures, and words. In social studies, we are learning about the colonists and their texts about what happened.
In this lesson, I use the technology that I have in my classroom. I use the smart panel, and I also use laptops and the internet. And this lesson was derived from something I learned at the Illinois Music Educators Conference. Big push for students is to use iPads, different types of apps, and other things to engage student learning. I loved this lesson for these students because it engaged them in teamwork, but also some competitive trivia questions. And they were able to look at the screen, log on, and instantaneously see the results and compare their scores to the other team. So it was a really great lesson. It definitely engaged them. I got them to the point where they said they didn't want to leave, which is great.
I like this lesson because it's fun to do and you're learning stuff, and you can just it's good for teamwork and competition.
Here we go, next question.
Hi, I'm Kathy Rosalvo, and I teach reading at Washington School. I have been using technology in the reading room all year in lots of different ways, but my favorite way that I've been using it is with the iPads. We use iTunes U, and that allows me to work with some of the students individually. I record myself doing the work that the kids can do independently, and they can watch me as I teach a lesson, and then as most of the group is working on that, I'm working with a student individually so that I can work more specifically on their needs and give them feedback that is beneficial to them at a real time.
Marks. Now you're not going to create one. Are you in your presentation? Oh. Okay, you're not going to make one today. I have shared one with you. So go to the 3 lines. Go to the 3 lines. Smart project lending, you are in Google Docs. So if you
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm in 5th grade, and I want to tell you why I like Google Docs. I like Google Docs because it's like very portable and easy to use. I also like it because I can share my work with others while not actually having to be there.
We use the iPads for reading, writing, and for reading. One, we use the iPads for dictionaries. If we might come up a word that we don't know, we might need to use the dictionary. If you go to dictionary.com, you can see the words that you don't know and you type them in. And for writing, that if you go on Google Slides and you're trying to do a project, you can always go and log in to Google Slides. 3, for reading. If you want to read and increase your vocabulary, you can always use the iPad for Maya. You see right here. You can actually choose any of the books that you want to read. Right here, karate. You see that, and then you choose you can actually press read now or more books like this, and then it shows you all of the other books that you try to read.